Hi, welcome to this WP Ultimate CSV Importer tutorial. In this video, we will see how to import and export Elementor templates using the CSV Importer plugin. Let's get started. First, install and activate the Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. These are the Elementor templates I have in my website. Now let's see how to export them with Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Go to the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Click on the Export tab. Select Custom Posts. Choose Elementor Library option from the drop-down. You can see 4 custom posts found message here. Click Continue. Provide file name for export. Choose the file type as CSV. Now click Export. The export file will be generated. Click Download and save the file to your local. Let's open and view them. You can see all the 4 templates are exported successfully. Now let's import them with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Visit the Import tab of the plugin. Start to upload the exported CSV file that contains the Elementor templates. Once the file is uploaded, choose Elementor Library as post types from the drop-down. Click Continue. Now, map the CSV/XML file headers with the corresponding WordPress fields. The plugin automatically maps the matching fields if the field headers are same. If needed, you can manually adjust them. Once done, you can save the mapping as a template for future imports. Click Continue. Click Import to start the process. It's completed. Let's check the imported templates in the Templates section of Elementor. You can see them imported. That's it. This is how you can import and export Elementor templates using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.